Of course, this is in regard to actor Lakshmi Menon, who has now been named in the incident of kidnapping and beating a techie in Kochi. Actor Lakshmi Menon, who has worked in Malayalam films as well as Tamil films, has been linked to an alleged kidnapping, and the complainant has alleged that he was kidnapped, assaulted also by Miss Menon and her friends, and all this took place after a dispute that started at a bar. Well, Uma with us in order to get us details of this. Uma, take us through, basically there have been arrests that have been made in the case, but take us through the action against the actor.
So actress Lakshmi Menon has managed to get protection from the High Court, and they have said that till September 17 she will be protected when the case will be coming up for hearing. Till then she cannot be arrested. 3 others who were with her in this particular incident that happened on August 24th, those 3 others have already been arrested by the police and have been sent to judicial custody. Lakshmi Menon and her 3 friends had gone to a pub, and we understand that certain exchanges happened with another person, an IT professional, who subsequently lodged a police complaint with the North Kochi police, North Ernakulam police, saying that he was intimidated and that he was harassed, and that now of course cases of abduction, of criminal intimidation, of criminal threatening also, and also that he was detained without his will. All those cases have been put against these 4 people. What had happened was that on August 24th, there seemed to have been an exchange inside the pub, following which, after they came out, there is a video that has surfaced that seems to suggest that Lakshmi Menon and her friends are in fact surrounding this victim or this complainant around the car. And what he has said is that around the North Overbridge area of the Kochi itself, he was pulled out of his car, and that he was taken into another car, the car that belonged to Lakshmi Menon and her friends, and that he was beaten up there and then left out. And that's how he came to complain. Lakshmi Menon on her part has said that all this is fabricated. She says she and her friend Sona Mol were in fact sexually harassed, and there were verbal comments that were made against them, and that when they came out of the pub, they were in fact targeted with a beer bottle as well. And she says she's the one who was the victim in this particular case, but she's being framed because she's famous. Lakshmi Menon, I must point out, has been in the film industry for almost 12 to 13 years. Her first film was in 2011. She has acted in Tamil as well as in Malayalam films, and has also won awards. And perhaps the attention to this case also because she's a very well recognized face in the film world in Tamil and in Kerala.